Lemon Balm tea for weight loss. Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a challenge many of us have faced: how to lose weight quickly. Especially during this time of year, we want to feel our best. To speed up your weight loss journey, let's talk about a simple, accessible ingredient that can elevate your body care routine. We'll explore how lemon balm tea has gained fame as a weight loss ally. Does it really work, or is it just another health myth? Stay tuned, because the answer might surprise you. The viral lemon balm elixir on TikTok. Does it really work for weight loss? With 1.5 million views and a feature on Good Morning America, it's got everyone talking. I'll share the recipe and discuss the benefits of this fantastic elixir. Ingredients: *1 tablespoon of dried lemon balm leaves or 2 tablespoons of fresh leaves. *1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. *1 cup of hot water. Juice of 1 lemon. *1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Preparation: 1. Infuse the lemon balm. Place the leaves in a cup of hot water and let them steep for 5 to 7 minutes. This helps release the herb's beneficial properties. 2. Add ginger. While the lemon balm steeps, grate about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters of fresh ginger. Known for its ability to boost metabolism and burn fat, ginger adds an extra kick to the mix. 3. Combine and mix. Strain the lemon balm tea into a glass, then add the grated ginger. Stir well to blend the flavors. 4. Add lemon juice. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, a rich source of vitamin C that helps flush out toxins and supports weight loss. 5. Sweeten with honey. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. It not only sweetens the drink, but also provides antimicrobial properties and aids digestion. 6. Enjoy. Stir everything together and savor your lemon balm detox drink. You can drink it hot or chill it for a refreshing iced tea. A closer look at lemon balm tea. Lemon balm, also known as Melissa, is a medicinal herb long celebrated for its calming properties. But how does it tie into weight loss? First, it's important to understand how this tea interacts with your body. It reduces stress, improves digestion, and even regulates sleep. All factors that directly influence your weight. How it works. Stress is one of the main culprits in weight gain. When stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Lemon balm helps counteract this process by reducing anxiety and curbing emotional eating. Metabolism boost. While lemon balm tea isn't a miracle fat burner, it can give your metabolism a slight edge. Studies suggest its antioxidant properties help fight free radicals, improving cellular function and supporting a healthy basal metabolic rate. Digestive benefits. Did you know that digestive issues can hinder weight loss? Lemon balm stimulates the production of bile and gastric juices, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. This reduces bloating and supports regularity. Key factors for anyone aiming to shed pounds. Tea, diet, and exercise. Let's be real. Lemon balm tea is a complement, not a substitute. It doesn't replace a balanced diet or regular exercise. Think of it as part of a trio: healthy eating, physical activity, and good habits. Together, they unleash the tea's full potential. Before you start chugging gallons of lemon balm tea, remember, it's not magical. If it were, we'd all be sipping our way to effortless weight loss. This is where many people get frustrated. Real results come from consistency and a holistic approach to health. Tips for using lemon balm tea to your advantage. 1. Brew it right. Boil 200 milliliters of water, turn off the heat, and add 1 tablespoon of lemon balm leaves. Cover and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Skip the sugar to avoid extra calories. 2. Best time to drink. Enjoy it in the evening to benefit from its calming properties, which can also improve sleep quality, an essential factor in hormonal balance and weight management. 3. Moderation matters. Stick to 2 to 3 cups per day to enjoy the benefits without overloading your system. Does lemon balm tea really help with weight loss? Not on its own, but it's an excellent ally when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Plus, its benefits go beyond weight loss, helping you feel calmer, more balanced, and energized. I remember one of my patients, Donna Elvira, who was looking for natural ways to complement her weight loss efforts. At 58, she came to me with a list of plants she'd read about in magazines. Among them, Melissa stood out as a promising option. Donna Elvira was determined to avoid chemical medications and wanted something to help manage her anxiety, improve her sleep, and possibly aid in weight loss. Melissa is widely recognized for its soothing and relaxing properties. Research shows that stress and anxiety can be significant barriers to weight loss. Constant pressure elevates cortisol levels, leading to fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Donna Elvira often mentioned her tendency to snack on high-calorie treats when feeling anxious at night. I suggested swapping her evening snack with a warm cup of lemon balm tea. Replace your nighttime snack with this tea, Donna Elvira, I said. It'll help you relax and improve your sleep, which is crucial for metabolic balance. Over time, she incorporated lemon balm tea into her nightly routine. She shared how the tea's gentle aroma helped her feel calmer and how it significantly reduced her late-night snacking. Although it wasn't her only lifestyle change, she also started walking daily and eating more mindfully. Elvira always associated lemon balm tea with a sense of self-care. While lemon balm tea isn't a miraculous weight loss solution, it's a valuable ally, especially for those battling stress and irregular sleep. Like Donna Elvira, you may find that Melissa offers more than physical benefits. It can be a reminder that small changes can have a big impact on overall well-being. So, if you're looking to improve your lifestyle and possibly aid your weight loss journey, a cup of lemon balm tea might be an excellent place to start. After all, taking care of your body often begins with caring for your mind. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Cheers to good health. If this content was helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Your engagement helps spread the word to others looking to transform their lives. See you in the next video.